done at Dau Falls. Now, what's weird about this one is that they've got an entrance sign and an entrance way to do it, but I've got a different track on Gaia, so I don't know. Anyway, we'll go there. You know, I would guess that maybe the track I saw on Gaia is an old way, and they wanted to commercialise it. They've got probably, you know, a longer way in when they try and, yeah, sell you the entrance and stuff, is what I reckon. So maybe you could bypass it and go on the other track. I don't know, but like I say, we'll just go this way. This is again pretty close to the one we just did, so all three waterfalls this morning have been very close together. Barely making much progress on the coastline, but it's good. Just knocking them out, that's the main thing. Hello. Scary.
Here.
Welcome to Dau Falls.
Oh, you want to swim here or jump?
Yeah.
Okay. If you want to swim there in the falls, it's okay.
Alright, we're off on another helmet adventure. Got a guide Jufel.
Yep.
For YouTube Jufel.
Yep.
So we've got a bit of a 20-minute walk to that big waterfall.
Yep. 15-minute walk.
Yeah. You just told me the most common tourists here are Germans and Polish, which is interesting. Not a lot of Australians, which is bizarre. Got some really clayey steps here, which I haven't... Oh, it's alright, it's alright. Haven't really created that good. Dangerous rockfall. Little tiny wall here. So first look at the creek. Said it's only going to be like knee high, so that should be fine to walk. With the gear, all of the shoes. There's even a track that goes downstream, I don't know what that's about. Alright, we go up. The track that I saw on the map comes in from the right. A bit further in, we'll see if we can spot it on the way. A cool little canyon. Wow. Oh, nice. I'm just going to give you some water shoes, but these are already wet from the last lap anyway, so doesn't matter, I'm still on the trail. Up a little cascade. Again, some really good flow. Can't argue. Nice pool. Little trib dropping in there. Got a group of people in front of us. Yeah, I can see for the average tourist why they kind of want to give them a guide, because it's not flat terrain by any means. It's going to be fairly flat to our big falls. A little cascade in there. Proper tree root cut out little section here. Saw the little notches out of the roots to step on. Bamboo railing. Standard 101. Little boulder cascade. A couple from Switzerland behind us. Wow. This massive rock wall. Crazy. It's cool. Really tight canyon. We'll be getting close. So yeah, this was a 200 peso plus 50 peso parking. This one. We're almost there, this little corner. Definitely easy to walk and stay out of it. You don't really not swim through things. Getting close, you can hear it. It was funny before I was walking and I overtook him and ended up basically guiding him. This is very cool. Wow. The whirlpool. Good job, obviously. Wow. Track out of the rocky would have been a good effort. Wow. It is calm that thing going on. They've chiseled all this wall out to make these steps to jack under. Crazy. There we go. Wow. Amazing. Well, I don't know where that truck was coming. I didn't look for it, but It wasn't obviously obvious. It's crazy. Can't really get a good shot of that, which is annoying. I'll give them credit, they've made a lot of effort. Cut the steps in this wall, that's for sure. There we go. Oh no, it's too small, we're going to go back. Yeah, too small, no good. Look at this, eh? Brilliant. Wow. Holy crap, eh? Wow, we've got an amphitheatre in here. Amazing. Wow. Let's get over here. Pretty much the spot. Come in with a massive storm, just got drenched all of a sudden. Didn't see that coming. So now we're going to walk back in soaking rain. Make this track even way more slipperier. Sand, settings with the silt. The old limestone mud. The track's getting muddy to walk here.